From Fox News, federal judge rules law requiring display of 10 commandments in Texas classroom unconstitutional. A federal judge has ruled Texas's law requiring the 10 commandments in public school classrooms unconstitutional, citing the Establishment Clause. The decision affects several districts, with plaintiffs like Jewish families relieved from what they call religious coercion. Groups like the ACLU urge all districts to comply, while Attorney General Ken Paxton sues non-compliant schools. The ruling protects students' rights but highlights ongoing debates over religion in education. From the Daily Digest, the Canadian boycott of travel to the U.S. hits Trump hard again. Months after Trump's tariffs sparked anger, Canadians continue boycotting U.S. travel, with October returns down sharply. Auto returns dropped 30.5%, air by 23.9%, marking 10 straight months of declines. This hits the U.S. economy hard, as Canadians spent $20.5 billion in 2024. Forecasts predict $5.7 billion lost in 2025. Will the numbers change U.S. policy toward Canada? The boycott shows no signs of easing. From the Associated Press, Trump attacks ABC reporter after question about killing of Saudi journalist Khashoggi. President Trump calls ABC's Mary Bruce a terrible reporter after tough questions on Saudi business and Khashoggi's murder. Bruce pressed both leaders. Trump dismissed U.S. intel on the prince's role, saying many disliked Khashoggi. Trump threatened ABC's broadcast license, citing bias, and criticized her attitude on Epstein queries. This adds to tensions with media, as Bloomberg also defended a reporter Trump insulted. From Newsweek, judges consider $1 million penalty for Trump in Clinton RICO case. A federal appeals court seemed skeptical of reviving Trump's RICO lawsuit against Clinton and others over 2016 Russia claims. The suit alleged a conspiracy, dismissed as political, with $938,000 sanctioned for Trump and his lawyer. Judges questioned pleadings, damages, and timeliness, calling it a shotgun complaint. The ruling could uphold penalties, testing limits on political lawsuits in court. From NBC News, whistleblower who provided House Democrats with Ghislaine Maxwell documents speaks out. Nurse Noella Turnage, fired from a Texas prison, says she blew the whistle on Ghislaine Maxwell's special treatment. Emails show Maxwell's access to the warden and perks like late workouts amid Epstein-file debates. Turnage contacted Democrats alleging retaliation and policy violations. Another ex-employee backs her. She insists it's about fairness for all inmates, not politics, as Maxwell denies pardon plans. From USA Today, freed from prison by Trump in 2021, New Jersey conman gets 37 years in latest scheme. Eli Weinstein, whose sentence Trump commuted in 2021, got 37 years for a new $44 million Ponzi scheme. Convicted on fraud charges involving Ukraine aid kits and masks, using an alias to hide his past. Freed after less than 8 years on prior $230 million scams, he admitted Ponzi'd investors again. Prosecutors say he created more victims instead of reforming. Co-conspirator got 12 years. And as always, thank you for the like, comment, and subscription.